In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reply to a review on Etsy. Whether you're addressing a simple misunderstanding or a tough critique, the goal is a calm, helpful response that builds trust with future shoppers. Start by signing in to your Etsy seller account. Once you're logged in, head to Shop Manager at the top right of the screen. This is your dashboard for everything related to your shop. From there, navigate to your reviews. Depending on your layout, you'll find them under Star Seller or directly under Reviews. Scroll until you locate the specific review you want to address so you can read it carefully in context. Before you write anything, check whether you're eligible to post a public reply. Etsy allows public responses to reviews that are 3 stars or lower. Reviews with 4 or 5 stars don't support public replies, but you can always message the buyer privately. Also, keep in mind that once a public reply is posted, it cannot be edited or deleted, so it's worth drafting thoughtfully. Next, decide on the right approach. If the review offers constructive criticism, acknowledge the feedback and clarify details where needed. If it points to a service issue like shipping or packaging, apologize and explain how you've resolved it or will prevent it in the future. If the review feels unfair or inaccurate, respond calmly with brief, verifiable facts. If it's emotional or hostile, focus on de-escalation and stay professional. Never argue or accuse the buyer. Your tone should reflect your brand's reliability. When you're ready to write, use a simple structure. Thank the buyer, acknowledge the issue, clarify or correct politely if needed, explain what you've done or will do, and close professionally. For example, thank you for your feedback. I'm sorry to hear the item didn't meet your expectations. I strive to describe each product accurately and appreciate you sharing your experience. I've sent you a private message to help resolve this and ensure a better outcome. Keep it short and professional. Aim for 2 to 4 sentences. Avoid blame, emotional language, or citing policy unless it directly helps. Remember, your real audience is everyone reading the review later, so show fairness, empathy, and solutions. When it looks good, click reply under the review. Read it aloud to check tone and clarity, then submit. Your response will appear publicly beneath the review. Finally, consider following up privately. Use Etsy messages to offer a solution, provide a refund or replacement when appropriate, or clarify any misunderstandings. A considerate private resolution can sometimes prompt a buyer to update their review, and even when it doesn't, it strengthens your reputation.